Bye, friends! Let's learn and explore! Oh no!
The music kingdom is silent.
Woof! The melody crystal has lost its magic. We'll help bring music back.
This is the piano. I make beautiful melodies.
Wonderful! We earned our first music note.
This is the drum. I create rhythm and beats. Boom, boom, boom.
This is the guitar. I make happy musical sounds. Fantastic!
Fantastic.
We found another note.
This is the trumpet.
I make loud, bright sounds. Ta-da-da-da!
We did it! This is the violin. I create
I create soft, beautiful music. Beautiful melody. One more note to go.
This is the flute.
I make gentle musical sounds. Wonderful teamwork. Woof! We found all 6 music notes. Hooray! The melody crystal is alive again.
We did it! Music is back. Hooray! Let's celebrate. Today we learned about musical instruments.
Piano, drum, guitar.
Trumpet, violin, and flute. See you next adventure.
Bye, friends.